Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by combining prerequisites with immediate action. Install VS Code and a runtime, then add an AI extension you trust. Once done, paste your API key or configure a local model path and open your project folder so suggestions can index files. Make sure to initialize a Git repo and create a basic settings. JSON to control formatting and telemetry. This early setup reduces friction, improves completions, and prepares VS Code so AI features produce relevant, context-aware code from the first query. Next, configure extensions and feed context so the AI gives useful output. Tweak temperature, context window, and completion length, then exclude noisy files with. I ignore so the model focuses on key sources. Once done, create workspace snippets and a prompt template to standardize requests. This makes outputs consistent. Make sure to run a few curated prompts that include nearby functions and tests so the model adapts to your code style. These middle steps align suggestions with your architecture and reduce irrelevant results. Finally, complete the process by reviewing AI edits and running your test suite before merging. Accept suggestions progressively and lock critical files or add pre-commit hooks to catch regressions. Make sure API keys are stored securely and that backups exist. If something goes wrong, check the extension logs and the model usage panel first, then reset the context or clear cache snippets and toggle the extension sandbox mode. This troubleshooting tip often restores expected behavior without losing your workspace or custom prompt.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.